Hello friends, welcome to our new video lecture. In this video we will study about oscillators. First of all, we are going to see the importance. The only external source an oscillator need is the DC power supply. Ironically, the DC power supply is usually obtained by converting the AC supplied by electrical utility company to DC. The problem is that the AC supplied by the utility company operates at the preset frequency of 60 Hz in the United States. Somewhere in other nations you will see on 50 Hz. Whereas many applications such as electronic circuits, communication systems, and microwave devices require required internally generated frequencies that range from 0 to 10 GHz or higher. Oscillators are used for generating these frequencies. So here we have one type of oscillators, that is relaxation oscillator. A relaxation oscillator is basically a non-linear oscillator that has the ability to generate a non-sinusoidal periodic waveform at its output, such as triangular waveforms, square waveforms. So now we will so relaxation oscillator operates in such a way that it generates oscillation by charging the capacitor and quickly discharging it after attaining a predetermined threshold voltage. Now we will make this oscillator on ORCAD and simulate this circuit. Now here we have simulation of the given circuit I performed, and it's the output square waveform.